Meal prepping, especially for a busy week ahead, is key to keeping you on track with the Fab Four lifestyle because the basics of any structured meal are at the ready when you need them. And all in all, it takes less than an hour to get the fridge and freezer stocked. I typically will prep right after getting home from the grocery store or the farmer's market, when meal planning is fresh in my mind and the food is already out. First, I'll pop my freezer-friendly options right in the icebox. Each week, I'll buy a variety of frozen berries, frozen greens like chopped spinach, and frozen veggies like cauliflower rice. And as you can see, I also love to have homemade broth-based soups in the freezer. So when I need a quick, hydrating meal, it's an easy one to defrost and have ready. Then I wash and chop my fresh veggies and store them in green saver containers that let the air circulate, which keeps the food fresher for longer. My favorite veggies are leafy greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, zucchini, and squash. But of course, it changes based on what's in season. And the beauty of having prep veggies is you basically have a fridge salad anytime during the week. And leafy greens make for an easy sautéed side dish. Don't forget, if you don't use all your veggies during the week, you can eliminate food waste by simply adding them to a freezer bag, squeezing out as much air as possible, and throwing them in the icebox. For proteins, I like to prepare 1 to 2 different options to have on hand. Typically, I'll pan fry skinless chicken breasts and bake salmon fillets. 3 to 4 of each, so there's enough for at least 4 meals. For boneless chicken, I season with salt and pepper, and then I'll cut them into 1 to 2 inch pieces and sauté on medium to high heat for 6 to 8 minutes, or until cooked through. For a salmon fillet with no skin or skin on one side, preheat the oven to 450 and place the fillets on a lined baking sheet. I'll drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and sprinkle with salt and pepper, and bake uncovered for 4 to 6 minutes per half inch of thickness. Don't forget some healthy fats. For this, I'll make 1 bulk salad dressing, typically my go-to staple, lemon tahini. In a blender, combine a half a cup of tahini, a half a cup of filtered water, the juice of 1 lemon, 3 peeled garlic cloves, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Process until smooth and add salt to taste. Pour into a glass container and store it in the fridge. Then I'll prepare a fat-based dip, like avocado hummus. This can be enjoyed as a sauce served over protein or as a bridge snack with veggies for dipping. In a blender or a food processor, combine 3 pitted and peeled avocados, 1 to 2 tablespoons of tahini, 1 to 2 garlic cloves, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and blend fast. That's it. Store in an airtight container, and when you're ready to enjoy it, I top it with a mix of hemp seed hearts and sesame seeds.